Hello, this is Jonah Ward and we are at San Carlos City Port. We'll describe to you how to get through this in order to get your car on the ferry. There are actually two kinds, so we have the fast craft over here and this is MV Danilo Light Ferry. Two boats that will take your car from Negros Island, San Carlos Port to Cebu Island or Toledo City Port. We'll describe to you what we've been through. Stay tuned. Philippine Ports Authority of San Carlos paying our terminal fee, 20 pesos each, and then we head back to the PPA. We just had our tickets paid. Sa Picas, the other boat.
Where do we go? No.
Asaman.
Like, what?
So that's how we communicate here.
Yes, that is so amazing.
And that's how we get each other. So describe your experience, Ken.
Okay, so first, if you're an American and only speak English, this is what will occur. You'll pull up and some random dude will come up and he'll be like,
You're getting the accent right though.
And then it's like, what are you talking about? Like, what are you talking about? So then if you think he knows what he's talking about, you'll give him some money and then he'll go in and do the transaction, which normally you're supposed to go in, but they want a tip. So then he'll come out, if he's honest, give you the ticket and then ask you for some money or keep your change maybe, and then go, and you go, what does that mean? He's like, go. So you drive up and there's a security guard by a gate with some more people, like 8 more random people who want to try to get money from you. So then if you're smart enough, you drive by them, and then the security guard, you ask him, where do I go to put my car in the ferry? And he goes, go. The building. The building. Oh, okay. What does that mean? Because there's no building in sight. So you drive up a little further, and then you ask another security guard. He goes, the building, which doesn't exist. So then you drive, and then a building appears. So then when you find that building, then there's a security guard, and then another random dude who comes up and says, oh, you 20 pesos.
Who also wants your money.
Driver's free. 20 pesos.
That's the terminal
So
fee.
you're saying, should I give him this money or no? Then you walk up there, and then some guy might try to sell you a bag of peanuts.
Yes.
There's always the guy in between selling you a bag of peanuts. So then when you go to get that, and then you drive back to the security guard and ask him how to actually get your car on the boat, he just goes, oh, just go. So then he gives the typical response of, which is follow the traffic that's going out the exit.
Isn't that logical?
So I say to him, should I park behind that orange truck? He's going to, no. What the fuck? What does that mean? So somehow we arrive behind the orange truck, and then another random dude comes up, and he actually speaks English.
Yes.
The last guy in the whole chain of command speaks English. So I ask him with like super hesitation, are we actually in the right spot? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your ticket, sir. And here we are.
And I have a word for you right now. It's called ugtas. Ugtas roughly means stress. So he's all stressed out. So that's part of traveling here in the Philippines. So the guys just motioned us to drive to the side. Apparently their arrangement of the vehicles is heavy vehicles first, heavy vehicles at the center and light vehicles on the side. This is Jonah saying bye-bye for now, San Carlos. See you again